What is going on, my cryptocurrency family? I hope you guys are having an incredible day, and that's just the start of the week, and there is so many good things happening. Minus on the news today, I heard from CNBC, CNN, and all of the validated news sources that oil has gone into the negative territory. So literally, you will have to pay somebody to move oil. That is how stinking cheap it is. The futures market, it went into the negative and went into the red, guys. These are unprecedented times that we are living in, but we're going to dive into that more. But it looks like things are moving quickly to the direction of needing alternative hedges for money. So if you haven't tapped that like button yet, be sure to tap it and subscribe to my channel. It means so much to me. Let's get into it.
Thanks for watching my dad's channel, Crypto Media. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.
So oil plunges 321% into negative territory. This is Markets Insider, guys, for the first time ever as the demand evaporates. Oil plunged into negative territory. The price of West Texas Intermediate crude oil futures expired in May plunged to 321% to negative $40.32 a barrel, the lowest level ever recorded. Brent crude losses were muted by comparison, with the commodity sliding 9.5% to $25 a barrel. The price of oil has continued to slide even after OPEC and its allies agreed to the biggest ever production cut now. Guys, these are certainly uncertain times we are living in. Here's Green Eggs and Ham tweeted, I think Peter is 100% correct on this one. The system is falling apart, Are you paying attention? Now, Peter Schiff right here, an economist and big name in the media, has said here, the oil price is now negative $3 per barrel, guys. What is happening now in the oil market will soon happen in reverse in the gold market and certainly in the cryptocurrency market, guys. In oil, the shorts are trying to deliver, but the longs don't want it. In gold, the longs will try to take delivery, but the shorts won't have it. Now look at these comments here, guys. Someone once told me XRP would be worth more than oil. Didn't they mean this? Negative $9. That's funny. XRP will never be worth more than a barrel of oil. Gas company equals hold my drink. Oh my gosh. Here we go. Now, this is John Wick commented here. What would happen if the petrodollar system ended tomorrow? Foreign nations would begin sending a flood of US dollars back to the United States in exchange for the new currency needed for oil. The Federal Reserve would lose their ability to print more dollars to solve America's economic problems, and American economists will increase interest rates immediately and dramatically to reduce America's money supply. Hyperinflation would ensue temporarily while the interest rates took time to take full effect. Now, guys, must kill oil to kill the dollar, then it can be backed by hard money. So, guys, if this doesn't smell like a financial reset, I don't even know what to tell you guys. Like, get off the channel, stop watching, unsubscribe, because honestly, that's what we're going to be talking about. And if you can't handle the truth, then just get out of here. I'm just kidding. But honestly, guys, it's pretty surreal. Like, the fact that oil is worth nothing, that the dollar is nearly worth nothing, because lots of the revenue from the US dollar and lots of the infrastructure and economy was based on the oil, the petrodollar, right, guys? So, honestly, you know, this is a prime time for XRP to take center freaking stage, guys, and to dominate the market and to become the new world reserve currency or a new intermediary currency for existing currencies, guys. Let's just keep going here. Now, XRP Crypto Wolf, thank you for this, said blockchain is now officially part of China's technology strategy. An influential government authority responsible for planning China's economy has said that blockchain will form an important integral part of the country's data and technology infrastructure. Wow, I'm just going to pop this open and see if there's any other good nuggets here. I previewed this a little bit earlier. What that means for blockchain's future in China is hard to know because the NDRC has a complicated relationship with the broader industry. However, last April, the NDRC included the country's substantial Bitcoin mining sector on a draft proposal for the industries it wanted eliminated from China. The body quietly removed mining from its list of undesirables industries weeks after Xi made his thoughts on the great potential of blockchain abundantly clear in October. So guys, we are watching history made before our very eyes. I got to get this video done before my girls come back inside from playing outside. They're waiting by the door here for me. But honestly, guys, there's so much going on. This is incredible. XRP Crypto Wolf again, he strikes again and says, Oxford Law says the world needs cryptocurrency regulations to prevent a financial meltdown. People move their assets into cryptocurrencies as a safe haven. Heck, I've moved like 95% of my assets and cash into cryptocurrency, specifically into mostly like Link, XRP, and Tezos and stuff, guys, because those are the currencies of the future, and I believe wholeheartedly they're going to dominate the markets this summer. Oxford Law said crypto market regulations are needed to prevent financial risk in times of crisis. That is very true. And then James Rule XRP has a great comment here. It is my mission to be 100% committed to providing detailed information of Ripple and XRP as soon as possible. Thank you so much, James, for that. That is awesome. It's my duty as well. Thinking Crypto said, new $100 million Bitcoin fund, Ripple ODL XRP liquidity solution. Dallas Federal, he's crushing it with his video. So guys, we talked a little bit about it yesterday, the Dallas Federal info going on, and in this article here, researchers say that as crypto transactions are decentralized and don't rely on any central authority, investors tend to move their capital into crypto when they lose their trust in governments and banks in order to secure their funds. The herding behavior may cause systemic risk. The crypto market depends heavily on market influencers, such as designated Telegram channels and websites detecting market movement by whales. Asymmetrical information may attract investors into pump and dump schemes, the block says. Sophisticated investors lure uninformed investors into the crypto market by creating an artificial demand for tokens and then swiftly selling their tokens, leaving the uninformed investors lost. So guys, I got scammed by USI Tech out of maybe only $2,000 or $2,500 in fall and winter of 2017 during that magnificent bull run. So if I was actually holding my private keys, guys, I would have made, a good $20,000 or $10,000 in that bull market. And I was also holding XRP, but I had no idea about market cycles and kind of the 4 to 5 year trajectory from low to low of between market cycles, guys. And if you want to find more about that, definitely check out DIY's Investing's channel. He's got great fractal info. Block this. So breaking, another here. This is a pretty incredible news story here. So governors are doing, I'm going to skip that here. So back to this. There is so much buzz. There is so many conspiracies flying around the table regarding Bill Gates, Microsoft, their body interface digital currency, and their Microsoft patent from March 26th that literally, guys, the number ends in the patent 060606. And then somebody says here in this post from Blugify, I don't think anything else has to be said here. Do your own research and draw your own conclusions. I mean, what are the chances a device on the body that is used for digital transactions would have a patent number 060606, the mark of the beast? As Bible-believing Christians like myself and many others believe that in the end times there's going to be likely a mark of the beast and an antichrist and a beast system come out where nobody can buy or sell unless they have this mark on their forehead or in their arm. So, call it what you want, conspiracy, prophecy, whatever, but that's what I'm kind of believing, and this seems to line up to what that could look like down the road. So let me know in the comments what you guys think. Am I crazy out to lunch? Is that plausible? Are you not worried about it? Are you not concerned? Let me know in the comments, guys. So this info that oil is worthless is so amazing because oil has real utility, right? Like we heat our homes, we power our vehicles, they drive with oil a lot of the time unless you drive a Tesla. But guys, like something with real value like that literally is worthless now. So the utility of cryptocurrencies and the protocols that we invest in, guys, are going to have substantial value in the weeks, in the days, months to come. So on Daily Hodl here, they say, the virus pandemic has left a glut of crude oil as restaurants, retailers, manufacturers, and airlines struggle through the economic turndown. The unprecedented drop in demand has pushed U.S. oil futures prices historically low, with one barrel clocking in below $0 on Monday. And then Mark Kaiser, Bitcoin bull and host of the Kaiser Report, is calling the slide a paradigm shift. I think the world is experiencing a paradigm shift away from oil, so the historic highs we've seen in price may never come back, says Tyler Winklevoss, founder of crypto exchange Gemini. After today, oil can no longer be considered a reliable store of value. Your next best options are the US dollar, gulp, gold, scarce, or Bitcoin, fixed. Some analysts speculate that the collapse in negative territory is temporarily as the price of the upcoming oil futures contract is set to expire on Tuesday, with upcoming futures contracts trading below 20 bucks. Now, the real head of gold money, the real price is what's at the supply end of the pipeline, not the temporary depressed cash price at the delivery end. However, storage problems can be expected to hit the 6-month price in due course. So guys, how much blood will be on the streets because of the crude oil? Oh my gosh, so much. Now, here's another guy talking about the narrative of Bitcoin. I understand the bullish narrative for Bitcoin relative to the fables of the feds and their frivolous fiats, and the arguments for the moon make sense. My only question is whether Bitcoin is actually living up to its high expectations. This question does not make me a hater. So guys, what do you guys think? What are you bullish about? In the comments, leave a note letting me know what cryptocurrencies you are excited to see take center stage to go to the moon in the coming weeks. Are you bullish about the Bitcoin halving coming up, guys? Or are you more excited about XRP's widespread utility, reaching banks, reaching central banks, becoming CBDC backed, and everything, guys, going on? I so appreciate your views and taking the time to watch this video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and very delicately tap that like button. I'm off to wash my feet because I was walking around outside in the muddy spring shoes with flip-flops, so my feet are covered in mud, and my girls need to go to their bedtime snack, and I need to finish our tree fort, guys. So take care, God bless, and I will talk to you guys all on the flip side. See you.
Thanks for watching my dad